Okay, welcome back, everybody. So this story that we're all going to read will have a lot of new vocabulary. So one of the vocabulary words that I will teach everybody here is this word. Money laundering. To understand the story, you need to understand the word money laundering. It's a true crime story. Does anybody know what this word means? All right.
It's like illegal money.
Yes.
When
Can you say a little bit more? Yes.
When
And you want to appear that that's legal, but it is illegal, something like that.
Yes. Yeah. Can you give an example?
Like like drugs, and you want to get a company to appear that money or drug is good. It's legal.
Who can explain? I know exactly what you're saying, Tatiana, and you're right, but I'm not sure if it's coming through clearly to everybody else. Who can tell me if they understand what Tatiana is talking about?
I will try. I will try to.
Yeah.
When someone have money with a legal way, from any way, it's not a good source to have money. So he want to clean this money with good money. I don't know. It's.
I like what you said. Clean the money.
Yes. So he do something to cover this. To put this money in
Business.
In the business
company,
to
sometimes bars or clubs or new companies, they start new business.
Okay, Erica
with
gets it.
bad
Yeah.
money.
Well, let's think about this word cleaning. Cleaning. Why would something need to be cleaned? Is this a literal or figurative word? That do we mean it is cleaning the money, but do we mean taking your money and then actually cleaning it like this?
no.
Right. So that's right. So that's not literally cleaning your money. It's what's called figurative, metaphorically. So it's not literal, it's figurative. Cleaning the money is money laundering. What does this look like? The word as you see it right here.
Laundry.
Everybody needs right.
Laundry.
Do the laundry.
Do the laundry.
Yeah, in English, the word laundry can be used in many different ways that are both literal and figurative. Literal means literally doing your laundry, washing and drying your clothes. That's one way. We also say in English, your dirty laundry. Why? Don't show it. Don't show anyone my dirty laundry. Don't air my dirty laundry. That's figurative. It doesn't mean don't show anybody my, my stinky socks. It means something else.
It's, don't let the people see what bad about you.
Yeah, yeah. It means you have a secret.
Yes.
So you can say if someone is giving too much information, say, hey, we don't need to know this. So, hey, stop right there. You're airing your dirty laundry.
Or sometimes when you, for example, you don't want to, nobody knows about your relation with you and your problems with your family. You say like,
yes, exactly. exactly. Now,
Money is sacred.
yes, and for many immigrants, this is a way you have to survive, because many of you are sometimes in a position where you have to make money, but you're not allowed to make money. So you have
Yeah,
to find a
because
way to make money. Yeah.
Yeah, teacher. Some immigrants, their work is a cash.
Right.
Cash work.
Many people.
That's why that money is a secret, because the government, they doesn't know. And some people is, I think it's corrupt, like a corruption.
Well, that's not so, that's a whole nother issue. That's a whole nother issue. If you're put in a position where you're not allowed to work, but you have to work,
Survive.
right, it forces you to survive and do what you have to survive. Right. So the idea of keeping a secret, staying quiet about all the money you make, that is a way to understand this story. So this story is a true crime story, local true crime story. This isn't about one person who made a little bit of money. This is about one person who made a lot of money, and tried to keep it secret. But to understand the concept of money laundering, I'm going to use an episode of the show Breaking Bad. Has anyone ever seen this show?
No.
Okay, it's a beautiful show. It's a great show. So this is a lawyer named Sal who's going to explain to Jesse, who's a small-time thug. I hear an echo, so I'm going to mute everybody.